evening. I would like to start off tonight by asking you guys a question. What do you think of when we say the word music? Now, it's pretty disappointing that your answer is me, because it means that you've missed out on a lot of great musicians, including these two standing right in front of me. But oh, there we go. So the answers that I were looking for included words like rhythm and form. Now, for thousands of years, we humans have only thought that things like rhythm and form can only be created by a human being. But let me ask you a question. Think about a bird who without fail migrates from their breeding ground to where they spend their winter and back every year. Is that not a kind of rhythm? Is that not a kind of form? And luckily, in the world of music, we have so many resources and techniques that, in fact, we realize that we can represent that with our own music making. Now, the nerdy kids among you guys might have studied music theory and have heard about something called the Sonata form. And it is all about using the change of keys, right? We start off in a key, we go to a different key, and then somehow, after all these musical adventures, we migrate back, right? Isn't that exciting? So, just like a bird moves to a different place in a different season, music also moves to a different key in a metaphorical season in time, right? And that is what our composition, our original composition today is all about. So, obviously, it would be extremely mean of me if I don't give the floor to my two companions over here. So, I would just like first Niccolo to introduce himself.
Hi, I'm Niccolo. I play the cello. I'm from New York. Yeah, I live in Rocco, which is the best school on campus. Eric and Bruce do too. I love living in the same dorm as Bruce. It's just the most amazing experience because he's just such an amazing dude. And he wrote this piece. Oh yeah, Eric too.
Hi, my name is Eric Young. I play the Yoba. I'm 15 years old and I also live in Rockwell. That's from my campus. Today we're going to be playing the Bird Sonata as Bruce already introduced. I hope you all enjoy. Thank you.
Now, unfortunately, he didn't tell you this, okay? Eric is a very humble man, but in fact, he currently studies at the Juilliard Pre-College in New York City. And that is about as good as it gets for a teenager, right? There's not that many of them in the world. So let's get started.
Thank you guys. Just in time to hear bird migration. I did not want to hear this jam session. Don't worry, we don't think bird migration works. Oh my god! Thank you. I'm offended. I've seen you in the jean pants, pink sweater combo my whole life. It looks great, but it's a staple. Oh no. Wait, you know what? That's your signature.